So today's walk is a sharp contrast between beauty meets ugly. And what I mean by that, we're going to see Hale Head Lighthouse, which in itself is beautiful, and the River Mersey, but the backdrop is an industrial plant. And there's also windmills, which some people find relaxing, others not so much. I'm somewhere in the middle. So we're going to look at the beautiful side of it first. And to the right, we're going to walk along this edge. Hopefully we might see some unusual birds. And actually, a lot of the birds that come here to this estuary come as far as Iceland, Greenland, Siberia even. And the reason they come here in winter is the actual mud flats, which we can see, is teeming with small worms, snails, exciting things for birds to eat. So they can live very well over winter here. And we'll see if we can find a few to have a really good close look at. We're very lucky today because it's nice and calm. In fact, it's as still as a mill pond, isn't it? It's very relaxing listening to the little birds on the mud flats. Just taking the meadow a moment. In summer, depending on what's planted, there is fields of wheat, which is absolutely beautiful, and also a wildflower meadow or patches of it here and there. So I think we may come back in the summer and see it in all its glory. think what we'll do for just a little bit of variation, we're going to take this little path through the fields to the trees beyond. Just about see them now. We're going to take the path there, and then we're going to come back the other way, and we're going to go and see the not so pretty side of it, which I'm pretty sure we can still find some beauty somewhere. It's actually a lot colder than it looks today, but it's nice, it's fresh, it's not frosty. It's just a shame there isn't a little bench here. That would be perfect. I'm going to hover here for a minute in case we get lucky and maybe see some birds. So we might as well just take a moment here, scan the horizon. We can see the lighthouse over there. So we're heading now the opposite direction. We're heading left. Just take a look at the lighthouse. We are very close to it here. So yes, in the opposite direction we have the industrial plant. I'm going to go this way today just so we can see a different angle from the lighthouse, and I thought it just might be a little bit different, that sheer contrast between something beautiful and something not so beautiful. I think it just reminds us of how important it is to, enjoy and appreciate the countryside that we may be lucky to have around us or travel to. Before I sit down, I'm just going to show you, we can only just about make out the lighthouse there behind the tree. And this is the River Mersey. Yeah, so the view is in stark contrast, isn't it, from one side to the other. And then sadly over this area, we do have the very ugly industrial plant. Oh, I hope you can hear them birds. That is gorgeous. So although this is slightly different than I normally do this video, I wouldn't normally film a power plant, but as you can see, it's an amazing place to come and see and hear wildlife. So I think we can forgive the power plant, I hope. And the other side was very tranquil, very pretty, wasn't it? But I think I'm just going to sit here now and listen to the birds for a while and finish the walk here. I hope you've enjoyed it, even though it's been a little bit different. It's not one of my meditative videos, but I think we'll get back to that next week.